Welcome to in front of me HUAWEI Y5p, and I'll show you how to add event to calendar on this device. So first you should find the calendar application somewhere on your device home screen or in the apps menu. In my case it's here, and now we can see that our calendar, for example, we'll open it in the months, and in the months look. You can also open it in the year look. And for example, we want to set some just events from to the March 21 here. So click here and just tap here to the plus icon. Now we can here give the title, for example, the Anna's birthday. Now just click here to for example, we can also give here the location. Also we can set here to just to the start at the end time of this event, for example only the March of 21, the start and the end, or for example start to March 21 and the end of the March of 25. Also we can here add the reminder, so we can add here more reminders if you want, for example on this day in 9 a.m. or also 1 week before or 3 days before, or just to don't set the reminder or just to delete it. Also we can here add the phone account, the description, and also the repeat time, never, on just every week, every month, or every year. Or also you can set here your custom just repeat time, and then just click here to OK in the right upper corner. And as can you see, we just successfully added the new event to our device calendar. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.